In this video, I'm going to explain how to create multiply dependent drop-down list. It means that the choice you have in the second drop-down is depend on the selection in the first list. In our table, we need to choose the unique department name onto the first drop-down list, and depending on our choice, show the corresponding job vacancy in the second drop-down list. We need to carry out such steps. On another worksheet, there is a list of job vacancy for each department. At the beginning, we create the table Microsoft Excel about vacancy information. In order to do it, we highlight the first column, cells A2, A4. Then the following. From the Insert menu on the ribbon, choose Table. And the dialog box, we check cell range and our first column, cells A2, A5, and mark if table has headers. Select OK. Then we need to name the table. It's important to note here the table name must be just the same as the column name. We copy such name, Ctrl C, place the cursor, Ctrl C and enter, then place cursor and Ctrl V, enter. Similarly, we do the same for the second and third column. Highlight B2, B5, insert table, check cell range, OK. Highlight name, Ctrl C, enter, place cursor, Ctrl V, enter. And then highlight C2, C3, insert table, OK. Highlight the name, Ctrl C, enter, place the cursor, Ctrl V, enter. In addition, created tables allows later to add or delete values in each column. Then the next one is at the first worksheet, we highlight cells B3, B7 and fill in department name from the first drop-down list. From the Data ribbon menu, choose Data Validation. Data validation window will open. On the Setting tab and the Allow box, we choose List. Place the cursor in the Source Control box and then highlight our column name range at the other worksheet vacancy. Cells A2, C2. OK. Then the next one is we select for the second drop-down list cells C3, C7 and apply data validation again. As described in the previous step, but this time in the source control box. We enter the following formulas: equal and direct, B3. Okay. Yes, and then when we choose value from the first drop-down list, we can choose the second drop-down list, drop a vacancy. We select the desired value in each row. Finance accounting, for example, financial accountants, and digital infrastructure, and for example contract again. This is how to create an Excel multiply dependent drop-down list based on the values of another list. It's easy for you now. Thank you for your watching.